glad that you're interested to know how to create great landing pages in less than 10 minutes. What does that mean to you? If you can really create quick landing pages, you'll be able to deliver and roll out a campaign much faster than what you could think. And rolling out campaigns on an ongoing basis is going to strengthen your business and make your sales more predictable. So let us now understand how to create a kick-ass landing page in less than 10 minutes. Here is your challenge. Okay, so to get started, let's see how one go about, right? First, I wanted to really get some aspirations in terms of how a great landing page looks like. I'm not a designer. I'm not someone who is really equipped. I don't know how to do Illustrator or Photoshop, but I really wanted to do it myself because I know my business well. Let's get started. So how can I really get some great inspirations? I generally draw a lot of inspiration from the Pinterest. I go and search for the simple landing page designs, and it kind of throws me a lot of good, interesting ideas of how I can go about creating a great landing pages, right? So the world is open, and you kind of get really good aspiration from this. I'm not asking you to really plagiarize here. You can just take aspiration so that you can design that great looking landing pages. Now, I just went and looked at one of these landing pages and which I liked it. It looks very simple. Probably I can put a good form here such that it becomes a great design for myself. So what I did first, I just picked it up into my PowerPoint so that I just wanted to visualize how it will look after I put that nice looking form and a little more information, right? So I went and really just added some simple elements like a form element. I'm a freelancer, it says. In fact, I'm going to be designing for a company which is into consulting business. So I'm just going to create something similar. Now I'm going to go and look at, okay, I'm going to put a different picture which looks more like a consultant. I'm going to call him as a consultant. I'm going to have a form here with a nice band out here. And it's going to be a simple 3-column, and it should be mobile responsive so that in a mobile phone, instead of sidewise, it can come one below the other. And you also have a good footer in terms of what you want to cover in the footer. So I've got a mock design done in my presentation. Once that is done, I'm going to go into my marketing automation system, which we call it CAMP. So I've logged into CAMP already, and I'm going to be using this for creating a great landing page in less than 10 minutes. So let's go and set up a timer so that we all know that it's happening. So I'm going and setting up this timer and say, okay, let's get started. So it is going to really tell us how long it is going to take. So I'm just going and clicking on new landing page. Great. It's asking me for a title. The title is going to be booking a demo for the consultant. Booking a time. Booking consultant's time, right? Time. Okay, great. There you go. And I'm going into a builder, which is going to give me a blank template. I have various facilities. I can also choose some of the interesting templates out here, which can potentially make it a lot faster. But I'm going to be really taking a bigger challenge in terms of making it a little more from the scratch up. So let's really see how it really could get done. So here is a single column. So the fundamental thing one you need to understand is what is that you're trying to design. Okay, so I go back to the presentation. I see this is a single column image. Then I have a single column area where I have to put in my form. Then there is a 3-column tech body copy out here, right? So it has got 3 different areas, 3 different icons, and some information out here. And I also have another form. So it is one of the good practices, right? You have a form at the top and a form at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to do this now. Now I go back to the system. Now what I do is there is a single column, and I want another single column, right? I want another single column. So I'll go and just drag another single column here. So I've got one more single column. I'm going to have a 3-column here. So I going to drag another 3 column here, and I'm going to have a couple of single columns again. So instead of again dragging and dropping, I can probably go and clone this and push it up. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to be just dragging this up so that it has come down. Now you can see 2 single columns and 2 single columns below. Okay, that's it. So my frame is ready. I've just spent a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to go here and say, okay, this is this I'm going to apply so that I'm not wasting time and later on not missing the designs, whatever been done. Okay, I'm going to go and select here. I am here. I'm going to remove this text, put it in a central alignment, and probably bring in that image. The image I have already stored it, whatever the banner and the icons. So I'm going and picking this image which says I'm a consultant. I'm picking that. Okay, great. It looks pretty simple and neat. Okay, there you go. The first part of my landing page is ready. Now I need to really go and add here a form. So I go delete this and make it central aligned and going to call a form. So book a demo form. We are just asking them to get the time booked from the client, from the consultant. Yeah. So and I'm going to add a little more space. It's not really space here. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to add a couple of spaces below. Now I want this to be in this color, so I'm going and picking up what color is this. Okay, go to shape format. I look at it. What is this color all about? Okay, there you go. I'm going to pick this color, apply this color here. Okay. So I'm going to go and say content background as this color. So now I've got the form, I've got the color ready. Now I need to go and change this 3 column, right? So I've got this, I've got some text. Okay, so this is not needed. Why it is here? Okay, not needed. Okay. So there's a 3 columns. So I go and pick the first column in this, and then I need to add, the icon there. So the first icon is going to be this, the person's headshot with the idea of there. So I got it, and below that I need some text. So we need this text, we strategize. There you go. So I'm going to say we strategize, and I'm also going to go say the other text, which is going to be here, and copy that. The B strategize should be bold. It should be of a slightly bigger size. Okay, so maybe yeah, that's good enough. And there you go. So you got that, what you want to see there. Now I'm going to go and pick the next thing, which is like a dartboard. Okay, there you go. I'm going to go edit this. I'm going to central align this. I'm going to bring this image of a dartboard, which is icon 2. Got it. Yes, I got it there. Right. So I'm going to go and say again the text, right plans. There you go. So I'm going to say right plans, and I need to say the text down here. Okay. So again, a central alignment, and I'm going to say that. Great. Now I'm going to increase this size, make it bold, increase this size to 18. Yeah, looks good. Now I'm going to go and change this with this icon. Okay, there you go. I'm going to go add this icon, icon 3, right, and it has to be central aligned. Central aligned it. Adding the text, design assets. There you go. Design assets, and copy this text. Again, I'm going to do it a little center alignment and bold this and make the size to 18. Now my 3 column is done. Now I need one more place where I'm going to be putting the form. So I'm removing this thing and I'm going to put a center line, fill in this form to get a free 30-minute chat with our consultants. Okay, I am going to be adding the form text. Great. So look at demo form, and that's it. I got that, and now at the bottom I need it to be of this color. What is this color all about? I go and look at in my PowerPoint. Okay, this is my color code. So I go select that and change the content color to that, and I need to add this text out here, which is my text out here. So I go here and select this and make it central aligned, and there you go. Just put that, and there you go. My design is ready, and so I wanted to have some dull colors around that. So the background color, I can probably put it to a different color. So this color looks good. Okay. So I'm putting the background color. There you go. Okay. So this is going to be FFF. Yeah. So that's going to be in white. So similarly, I'm going to put this FFF. So I'm going to go here. Okay, and I'm going to select this and probably add a little space around, and I'm again going to go and say that a background is this. Now your thing is ready, right? I want to really know how it looks like when I do a preview. I just click on the preview. Now you can see, okay, the form looks pretty big. So what should I do? I have another 30 seconds left, so I can really do some miracle here. So I can go here, add that table, okay, and make the table small, okay, and add the form here, booking table form. There you go. So I'm deleting this. Now I'm saving it. Bingo, I got my design completely done, and there you go. It's on dot. Great, thank you. So it is a simple way you can really build these kind of landing pages, great looking landing pages. If you have a little more time, you can really beautify it a lot better. Okay, so because you get what you see, what you get editors, you can really manage that very well. Hope this particular video is of great help, and if you find this useful, please share it in your social media and other places. Thank you very much.